Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to unbox this packet that I have received from the affordable organic store for you. I was just looking for some good quality seeds for my kitchen garden, and I feel the prices are quite reasonable in comparison to other websites. Now let me see what's inside the box. See, it's quite cautiously packed, and I need to do some efforts to open it. Let me open it, and then let me see what's inside the box. So this is the first product that I have ordered from the affordable. This is the Cocopeat, and it is 100 grams. Nowadays we have several Cocopeat bricks available in the market, but that consists of chemicals. However, I see that this is quite natural, and I get one free along with this one packet I have ordered. I have paid for one packet and got one free with that. Let me see what's the next item that I have received from the affordable, and give me a moment so that I can open it and let me show you. Yes, this is the other product that I have received, and this is cow dung manure. It enhances the soil fertility, so I really needed this product, so I have ordered. And the next product that I have ordered is pot meal. Let me show you what's inside the box. And here I see the perlite and the neem powder and the Epsom salt. It is made up of hydrated magnesium sulfate and is good for your flower blooming and green color of your leaves. And let me see what's next product we have in the pot mix pot meal pack. And the next product we have is seaweed. It's made up of phosphorus and is good for strong root system. And I see these are well packed. And the next item is vermicompost, and I see it's a one time quantity for plantation. So let me see what else is there. Meanwhile, let me show you some of my plants. These mustard plant and some tomato plants, some more tomato plants, and the methi. Now the next product is the cow dung cake, and I have ordered two, so I got two free with that. So buy one get one free offer with that, so I get one more free item. And this is, I think, the neem oil. Yes, it is 30 ml neem oil, so I think it will be helpful to protect my plants from insects and pests. And the next product that I see is my seeds, and let me show you what I have ordered. First one is wheatgrass, white onion. The third one is sunflower microgreen seeds, and I have ample of other seeds as well, like cherry tomato, brinjal, Chinese cabbage, ashwagandha. This is a medicinal plant. So the oregano and lavender flower, the sunflower, these are the long ones, strawberry and chamomile seeds. This is free from affordable. And the neem powder and the sunflower and the marigold scarlet red. Since I have placed an order of more than 499 rupees, so I got these 5 grow bags from the affordable organic store. I see their height is quite good, and the quality of bag is also appreciable, so this will work for me. Let me show you the height reference. See, See, Bebo is more excited to see what's in the box. So she's just checking it. So for now, I'm quite happy to receive these products. Let me get back to you with the next video with results. I hope to have a satisfactory results. Till then, bye bye. Thanks for watching and have a happy planting.